God, can I talk to you? I'm not qualified to do this work you want me to do, nor do I. I'm not trying to nullify the power that is in you. Lord, you don't want me for this job. Why? I'm me and young Lord, that's alright. True, all the matter is it ain't about my age, it's just my resume. Lord, it shows that I got experience in party and experience in sex, experience in drinking. You know I can do that. Lord, are you sure that you want me for this job? My resume shows that I mess around with a lot of women. My resume shows that I played around the church a lot. My resume, Lord, it shows that I got experience in party and experience in sex, experience in drink.